Hello peeps, I'm in beautiful Sydney. I'm here to show you around at some of the beautiful places I go to eat and have some yummy treats. Sydney has so many great places to eat. I couldn't possibly share all of the places I love going to with you, but I'm going to share 4 of my favourite places that we like to go when we're in Sydney. The first is the Grounds in Alexandria. It has a cafe, restaurant and bar, bakery and patisserie, and something for the little ones, a beautiful flower garden with a water fountain, and an animal farm. The site location was a former industrial area dating back to the 1920s. The cafe is where I like to try one of these delicious cakes. Feast your eyes on these delights. These are all made fresh and ready to go. The cake cabinet will have you wondering which one to pick. They are all so good. Then there are the fridges with all the take-home cakes. A feast for the eyes. We had a deconstructed mocha, which is where you add the coffee, milk, and pour it into the chocolate-coated glass mug. Yes, it was delicious and a chocolate lover's dream. There is an area where you can see the chefs hard at work. This is the smashed avo, poached egg, and chorizo sausage. There is often a theme at the grounds, and with our recent visit, it was to celebrate the 70th anniversary of Disney's Cinderella. As you walk around the laneway, you become immersed in the Cinderella-themed archways, crystal chandeliers, pumpkin carriage, and not to forget the glass slipper. Whilst in Rome, we just had to try the limited edition Bobbie-Jo, a non-alcoholic drink made of vanilla, lychee, lemon juice and lemonade, all topped off with blue fairy floss and edible butterflies. You can also grab a slice of the pumpkin carriage cake. I'll share a little bit more on that one later. The Grounds is a special place to visit and has amazing food and delicious cakes. If you like a little bit of Italian, another great place we like to go is La Cucina in the Sutherland Shire. La Cucina oozes charm, warmth, coziness and delicious Italian food. The staff are friendly and Chef Darren does an amazing job bringing the taste of Italy into the Shire. This is the pan-roasted Atlantic salmon fillet, served with sweet potato puree, asparagus, roast tomato and aioli. This one is the crumbed veal layered with grilled eggplant, Napolitana sauce and melted mozzarella, served with creamy mash and seasonal vegetables. And this one, the good old favourite, spaghetti bolognese with a traditional beef and pork ragu. And now for dessert, affogato, served with crushed chocolate honeycomb, a shot of espresso, and to take things up a notch, a bit of frangelico. That was yum. In my family, we love Asian food. Another great place to visit and eat is Chin Chin in Surrey Hills. Chin Chin in Sydney is a spin-off of the Melbourne restaurant. As you approach the restaurant, you line up. It's a little like waiting to enter a nightclub. Step inside, the music is pumping, and a neon pink bunny welcomes you along with the friendly staff. The atmosphere is lively and the vibe says it's time to eat, drink and party. The menu is of Southeast Asian cuisine. Your taste buds will be on a flavour-fueled journey with every dish that has your senses oohing and eyeing for more. You can choose individual meals from the menu, or they have feed me options, where a number of specialty dishes tailored to your group's taste come out and you just eat and enjoy. We had feed me number 1, the classics. We started off with fresh oysters, kingfish sashimi with lime, chili, coconut and Thai basil, pad siu with braised wagyu beef, gai lan, rice noodles and shallots, stir-fried eggplant with XO, fried garlic and curry leaves, barbecue king salmon in banana leaf with coconut red curry. And to top it off for dessert, we had warm double choc brownie with hazelnut praline and vanilla ice cream. And one more, vanilla bean and yogurt cheesecake with rhubarb and dragon fruit. I also ran into Mark Matthews, who was a contestant with his sister Lauren on the 2020 cooking show My Kitchen Rules Australia. They were known as the Poker Playing Siblings and were semi-finalists. Chin Chin is highly recommended if you enjoy Asian fusion. Bookings are a must. Now, if you didn't think we had enough dessert already, we went to another one of our favourite dessert bars in Mascot called the Chiello Dessert Co. Chiello Dessert Co. is a modern and elegant boutique dessert bar filled with fresh desserts, pastries and gelato, which is made in-house. We were greeted by the friendly manager Bill, who helped us choose from the many delicious desserts on offer. We had the Egypt, which is a chocolate mousse pyramid, and the peach and champagne trifle, which is a champagne sponge with peaches and gelato. As well as desserts, Chiello have a savoury menu and brunch on Saturday and Sunday. They also offer pastry classes, which I may just have to pop in and try next time. So getting back to that cake, the pumpkin carriage cake. We couldn't leave Sydney without bringing it home. We brought it home and it's not in its complete state of how it was when we bought it. But it's here, we're going to try it and I bet it tastes just as good as the one at the shop. The pumpkin carriage cake is a magical sponge cake made with cream cheese frosting, orange curd and buttercream, topped with orange blossom mousse. Yummy! There you have it, peeps, 4 of my favourite places to eat in Sydney. If you like this show or want to find out more, remember to like and subscribe on Facebook or YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my show and I'll see you soon. Woof, 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 woof.
Rolling. And 3, 2.
Hello, peeps.
You already said hello, peeps, because you're already in the video.
Hello, welcome me, my peeps. Hello, my favourite peeps. For the little ones, there's a beautiful flower garden with a water fountain and a minimal... with a water fountain and a minimal... and an animal farm, of all things. The Grounds is a special... That was yum. That was... That was yum. We couldn't leave the Grounds without bringing home our own pumpkin carriage cake. She's a little bit deformed, but I bet she'll taste great. There you have it, peeps. 4 of my favourite places.
Still rolling.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
And stop waving. Okay, we're done. That's a wrap. Thank you.
Thank you.